Are you tired of being broke all the time? Are your monthly expense outpacing your current income? Would an extra $900 a day income bring you a little more comfort? Discover how to magically make up to $900 daily in the field of digital marketing with our Daily Pay Blueprint. No experience? No problem. Our complete and comprehensive step-by-step program takes you from having your own traffic-generating website to generating your first commission in as little as 7 days, even if you've never made money online before. Imagine yourself generating this kind of income and only having to work 2 hours a day. This isn't a lazy Sunday dream, it's a Tuesday reality. This isn't just a money-making program, it's your new career path. Our proven blueprint enables you to operate from anywhere, be it from the peaks of Peru, on a white sandy beach, or sitting on your patio. Dive into our complete step-by-step guide today and start pulling 100% profit on a daily basis. It's like finding a treasure map in your email inbox. You will not only generate daily income for yourself, but you will be helping others build their own bank account as well with our automated business guide. Join our community of over 30,000 members who are learning to build and profit from their own online digital marketing business that pays 100% commissions daily. Access our blueprint now and turn those couch cushions into cash. Spots are limited, and unlike your remote, you won't want to lose this. Comment with more info or visit our website at onlinemoneytogo.com.